Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you where are the downloaded files stored on your Android mobile. So for that, what I'll do is I'll be opening the Chrome, and for any website, that may be a music website or a WordPress website, whether you're downloading the themes, PDF files or anything. Say for example, I'm just going through a website which has PDF files. Imagine you have what is this, music files or videos or whatever it may be. There is a download option. I'll be just clicking on the download and I'll be saying like download again. See here, file is downloaded. I can click on open, but I said I'll be showing you where does this downloaded files get saved on your Android mobile. The quickest way you can get to know is click on these three dots and click on this downloads option, and this will open the PDF file or whatever the file you downloaded. Click on these three dots, sorry click on these three dots and click on downloads and click on these three dots and click on this settings gear icon, and this is where the location is, but we need to get to know with the file manager. So I'll be opening the default file manager, which is the files app on my mobile. So not only my mobile, this is nothing for you, okay? For any mobile you'll have this Google Files, and under the categories you have downloads. Click on this downloads, and this is the recent file what you have downloaded. You can click on these three dots and click on the file info here, the last option, file info, and here also you can get the location, but here we are not checking the exact file location. That may be technical, but you can filter this to download here, so all your downloaded files will be available here. That may be downloaded through Google Chrome or any other app or even Opera browser or whatever browser. What you download will get here. This is what important. If you feel this video is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.